Hello friends, today I received a package that I bought it in GearBest. It is a car holder. I have one car holder which you can also check out the video for it, but this one I consider it much better because it has a flat surface. It's a non-slippery surface, and you can put, it looks like this. You just put it on the dashboard. I presume that this one is rubber, so you can put your phone here. You can even charge it. You can attach the charger plug over here, and this one, it goes to your car. The price, it's around $13. Maybe you can even buy it with discount, but I bought it with full price. So this is the one. As I presume, it is rubber. So it has a very fine touch in the back and also in the front. It seems that I need to attach these two over here, which they are also rubber. Oh, it seems sticky, but actually it's not. If you hear the sound, it's very stable. I really love it. So this one, I think, should be attached over here. Let's check this out. And I think it's adjustable according to how big your phone it is. So do I put it like this, or? Oh, okay, I need to put it inside of these ones. So that's how it is. Okay, I have to do that one later. Maybe I will make a short review afterwards. So these two are supposed to go over here, and also it has for, I think this one, as according to the box, well, it's not written on the box, but I read it on in Google in GearBest. You can put this one for it's for your car number or something like that. The parking place, I think it's called. So I don't know how to do it. I have to check it out. And there are some sticky things here. Double coated tissue tape. Interesting. It's a pass. It's written Chinese, I think. Alright. And this is where you can attach. I think it should go over here. Yeah, this one goes into the car charger, and this one, I think, you stick it over here. No, it goes inside. Yeah, something like this. This one, I think it's magnetic, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, it's magnetic. So this small cable has the normal USB cable over here, and this is for Apple. So in this matter, I think it's a good one. So let's, I think you put the phone something like this. I'll do the review later, and I need to install it. So basically you need to, oh, sorry about that, I need to put, yeah, this way, okay, and this one you put it to charge it. Does it go in? It's a little bit thicker, I guess. Oh, it's already in. I don't know what happens. Or maybe it has some small things over here which I cannot push it in. Alright, so let's check it out now. Okay, went in. So just put it like this. Yep, this is how it's supposed to be. But of course, later in the review I'll show it to you everything that you need to know. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Bye bye.